Is your Instagram feed a silent film when it should be a vibrant concert? If you're experiencing the dreaded no music found message on Instagram, don't fret, because in the next 90 seconds, we're breaking down simple solutions to get those tunes back up and running first. Let's try the quickest fix: close the Instagram app completely. On both iPhone and Android, swipe up from the bottom of your screen or double tap the home button to access your app switcher. Find Instagram and swipe it away to close it. Then, simply tap the Instagram icon to reopen the app. Is Instagram up to date? An outdated version can cause all sorts of glitches. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If there's an update button, tap it to download the latest version, and if you're already updated, then let's try something even more effective. Ensuring Instagram has the necessary permissions, such as media and location access, is crucial. Navigate to your phone settings, find Instagram, and verify that all relevant permissions are enabled. Sometimes, cached data can cause conflicts in your phone settings. Locate the Apps or Applications section, find Instagram, select Storage, and then tap Clear Cache if that doesn't do the trick. You may need to try Clear Data as well. Keep in mind that this will require you to log back into the app. This is usually the most effective process to removing glitches like this. If none of those steps worked, Instagram servers may be down. In this case, you should use the Report a Problem feature in the app to do this. Navigate to Setting, then tap Help, then select Report a Problem. You can then submit the issue. Also, you can check websites like Down Detector to see if other users are reporting similar issues.